Today we're going to be unboxing the PuffCo Proxy. Perfect vaporizer for you dabbers out there. This one's going to come with a little picker for your little dab tool there, especially made from PuffCo, alongside with some dual tools. Sliding down here to the bottom of the case, we have our PuffCo Proxy little hidden stash pocket, so you can put some extra little wax containers. It comes with a little charger as well from PuffCo. And then we have our little chamber storage down here too. You can go ahead and put that in there if you please. Just comes with a little part there. And then for the actual vaporizer itself, we're gonna have our Sherlock pipe style Proxy. And then here I'm just detaching the base and the bottom of it as well. So we're gonna have our actual device. You can go ahead and slip off the top and drop your little concentrate right in there. And then we have our Sherlock pipe. Comes in this black kind of forest gradient color. So this is what it looks like all together and put apart. The perfect compact vaporizer, delivering premium flavor, featuring 4 heat settings and a single button operation, all in the palm of your hand.